Hello and welcome to Tuesday. Haven't even looked at the market at all this morning, so I really don't have a clue what's going on. I take that back. I did see that it went up when I opened it up this morning, and we hadn't quite reached the high, but it looked like it was trying to make efforts to push down. Really can't think of a lot. Was really happy with the way the day went yesterday. I have a lot of things I want to do today, so I want to make this quick lickety-split, but I also don't want to pressure myself into taking trades just because I want to be done quickly. So one of the things that I've noticed that I do continuously is I take that 233 and don't wait for the right signals. It's the very weak signals off the 233 that I've been taking that really have been, I don't know, making it just a little more difficult for me. It's just that little more confirmation with the bigger tick charts. So I have to pay attention to that. And that's something inside of me that I want to get moving. I want to be in this trade. I see it setting up. I see it getting ready, and I just want to be in it. And so patience is everything. Patience is everything when it comes to entries, when it comes to exits, and especially when it comes to moving your risk. So let's go ahead and move on over. Oh, okay. Sorry, had some things I need to take care of. Ooh, missing out. Ooh, almost fell off my chair. Okay, so let's go ahead. I can't just jump into this. Let's go ahead really quick. Let's do our rundown. Here is the daily chart. You can see that 29.50 is about where the last high was. Well, we haven't quite made it there yet. These MACDs are super struggling. They want to pop up there. They want to get back above that Bollinger Band, and they might. I just want to I'm just going to close in on this a little bit so we can see what's going on. They are angled up, but look how much it's been inside of these Bollinger Bands. They're leading much lower. This, if it breaks through the Bollinger Band and then comes back down, is actually a pretty good sign. A lot of times we'll notice that it'll do this retracement divergence and something like this. Can't lead much lower and then pushes back up. When I say it can't lead much lower, it can't get all the way back down here, okay? So it is struggling. Hell, that move to the upside has just been, it just hobbles. Just hobbling. We had a great divergence here that pushed things down. We need to see a slowdown on the 233. Let's see if we can grab it here. 1, 2, oh, it's not going to put us in. It does put it over here. Ooh, I tried to move it. It didn't happen. All right, let's see what happens here. Just looking at the way it's pulling down to the bottom Bollinger Band. I'm looking at the way it didn't break through. There's still 500 ticks left, so it could pull back. Okay, I'm gonna hit close here because we're starting to see some strength picking up down, and it definitely would have come down and touched my break even. Might have actually. Yeah. got this next one set for a tick. I guess we just watch and go. That is not looking like it's gonna happen. I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. Need that little bit of divergence starting to push down. We're at that 0 line. This could pull back right here and push up. I've got to run, but I may not end this video just now because I may be able to get through these calls really quick. Come back to this for another 30, 45 minutes and then call it a day. So if I don't come back, I'm gonna have a fabulous Tuesday. That is 3¼ points. 3¼ points so far. Maybe I'll pick it up a little bit more, maybe not, but well, I just want to say I did come back and look at this for a minute. It's looking like it's trying to give a short, but with this pop up, it's such a big struggle between these areas. It's kind of hard to say. Jason did catch the long here. Set this right here, see if it can pick us up. Took a point off of that one. I'm gonna go one tick behind here. It's starting to roll in just a little bit. This is a great spot for it to pull back in and push up. It's already done it here. It's done it here. If it's gonna continue up, there it goes. Just tapped me. Little tap, tap, tap-a-roo. Feeling a little better. That's gonna wrap it up. If you guys got any questions, sorry, I've been munching on some pistachios. If y'all got some questions, I'm happy to help. I definitely could have stayed in that trade just a little bit longer. It's looking like it's giving a better exit right now, but what you gonna do? You know, it's not my best day trading, but it's not my worst. So I'll take it. All right, hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday. And I don't suspect to be trading Friday. Monday, my kids have the day off from school, so we'll be spending the day together. But besides that, that's going to wrap it up. So hope everybody has a fabulous day, and I'll catch you on the profitable side.